Hello, I'm at the Gardermoen Oslo Airport. I know I have some people who have been asking me lots of questions with regards to the airport, so I'm gonna do quite a fire round here. Number one, how many airports are there? Near Oslo, there are two. One is called Torp, which is at Sandefjord, or it's called Torp Sandefjord. The other one is where I am here, which is called Gardermoen Oslo Airport. Next question, which airport do I take to go to Tromsø or northern Norway to see the northern lights? And that will be Oslo Gardermoen Airport, where I am. If you want to go to Bergen, where everybody wants to go to Bergen to see the Flam railway, this is the airport as well. From Oslo Airport, you can take a plane to Bergen, or you can take the train. It's about 5 to 6 hours from the airport. Next question, how far is the airport to Oslo City? If you take the taxi, it'll probably take about 40 minutes. If you take the train, it could be about 20 minutes. When it comes to the train, there are two types of train. One is the airport shuttle train that will take about 15 to 20 minutes. It's very fast. If you take the normal train, it will take about 40 minutes. Okay, and the shuttle train costs more. It costs double than the normal train. So, but it is much faster and it's also much frequent. So there is a train for the shuttle airport. There is a train every 15-20 minutes. How much does it cost to take a cab from the airport to Oslo City? It costs between 600 to 700 kroner. So it is quite expensive. If I'm converting to Singapore dollars, it will be about 100 Sing. Yes, that's for a 4-seater normal taxi. This is because the journey is quite far. So it does cost quite a bit. It's about 45 minutes drive, thereabouts. And if let's say it's snowing or it's very bad weather or if it's slippery, then it means that the taxis cannot drive very fast. So then they will have to drive very slowly. It will take about an hour. So it is highly recommended that you take the train instead of the taxi. But what you can do is to take the taxi from the airport, and then from the train station in Oslo, take a cab from there to your hotel or to your apartments. Okay, that's that. Thank you. Bye.